Hello everyone.
Hi guys.
Hi folks. We argue about which is the best way to do it. We're going to argue it in the car, which is it guys, folks, people, guys and gals? Just a quick video, quick update. We haven't been in the caravan for a few weeks because we've just had a lot on. I think last time I went away was Donkey Creek, wasn't it? But we are now we're just going to go to the caravan. It's in storage because we are going away on a holiday, but not in the caravan. So yeah, we're going away on a little holiday, well, a big holiday actually, and we're not going away in the caravan. We're going away to a big family holiday to
Florida!
Yay!
I'm gonna go see Mickey
and
Minnie,
obviously, guys and gals. And yeah, we're just gonna make sure the caravan's okay and set up for us being away for a few weeks. And we might take, I know we were a caravan-y sort of channel, but I know some people watch us to see us going on our adventures. We'll probably do some filming and take some pictures while we're there. We're not going to do a
couple of shots.
Yeah, we're not going to do a big vlog on it, but we might do a video about being away. You think not like a usual one, but yeah. So hopefully you'll watch that. But in the meantime, we're just going to have a quick check on the caravan, make sure it's all ready for us not being seen for a few weeks. You worry about it, don't you?
You do. You miss it, don't you?
You do. Are we just wondering, is it worth? We haven't used it for a few weeks, and we're not going to use it again for another few more weeks. Do you think we're just thinking maybe of, because it sits on the tyres in a sense, but moving it backwards and forwards?
Yeah, should we move it so it's not just rested on the same part of the tyre?
Yeah.
I mean, it's dry weather. I think, is that just for when it's wet weather?
I think it's usually if you're going to leave it for several months, but
right.
we'll have to see. We haven't got the battery's not connected, because if anybody watched the previous video, when I took the battery out to charge it, the connections came off, so it's charging it up. So we're going to have to manually move it, give it a push.
We'll use the force.
But let's go and have a look at it, shall we? Oh, looks very empty. We've got the moles back. And we've come as well, and we've noticed that there's bits of a dead bird under the caravan. There is a cat that roams this storage yard, killing all the vermin, and it seems to have got hold of a bird. One slight problem: if we're going to move the caravan, we're going to have to put the corner steadies up, and we've left the windery thing at home, so we can't move it if we wanted to. But there you go, brilliant. We've just come into the caravan, and this is Adria Fangirl. And what did you just say about the caravan? What did you say?
I just said, I do really like this caravan. We don't need to swap it for an Adria, do we? I mean,
Adria's aren't that good, are they?
They're
really?
Not that good, are they? Really?
I'm quite happy with this caravan. I've got it on camera now. Anyway, are you saying that?
But if there's anyone out there who'd like to give me a free caravan like an Adria, then I'd be more than happy to test drive it.
Test drive it? Or keep it, you mean?
Not giving it back.
So what do you think? Everything looks fine?
I do think it looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it?
There's nothing needs sorting out, I think.
No,
I think we're all...
really good wipe down and everything when we got back from our last trip, didn't we?
Yeah, and we emptied a lot of stuff out when it went in for its service the other day.
Yeah, and we're taking out all of the covers and everything.
So everything's pretty much fine. I think we can safely leave it here for another couple of weeks, and then we'll get somewhere booked.
Yeah.
Just looking at the state of that skylight now, that is mucky. So I'm thinking the roof of the caravan is going to look like that as well. Oh no. I think those tyres should be alright for another couple of weeks, shouldn't they? You can't have a video with you unlocking a door without locking it again, can you? So yeah, so the next time you see us, might be in Florida.
Where Minnie is.
Doing the Disney thing and the Universal Studios thing, so that's quite exciting. So I hope you watch that video as well, and we will get back to our next. We're already planning our next caravan trip when we come back.
Yeah, probably gonna go back and get it sorted now.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.